Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find saved password on Chrome on browser. So first of all, go for your Chrome, tap on three dot option here, then tap on settings. Now you can see there is a password manager here. Tap on it. Now you can find all of your passwords here. You can check your password also from here. So yeah, this is how you can find saved password on Chrome on your Android. That's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.